Um, this video for showing the working of software hand washing on Raspberry Pi. I will start software. Okay, this one is the mainframe of software on Raspberry Pi, and it will wait for customer put their hand on the sensor to start using machine. I will try that one. Okay, and this one is sensor, and after you put the hand on the sensor, it will detect, and if it's success, it will move to another screen. Okay, and when it moves to this screen, it will send signal to the controller bar, and after controller bar answer, it will start countdown this one. Okay, I will try to get answer from the controller. For example, like this. When controller send the signal to Raspberry, it will start countdown, and customer using the machine. Okay, after success, this one Raspberry will send another signal to controller and wait for answer from controller, and controller answer. For example, like this one, start countdown again. After that, it will success and return to the Mainpay. Mainpay, we have a few buttons right here. We can show. We can see U is for controller user. When I click on manager user, it will show the list of the user on this machine. Right now I have 2 user, ID 1 and 2. This is my left hand and my right hand for testing. Enroll for new user, delete for delete user, verify for recheck the user, and capture for check picture, and when return, will return to Mainpay and wait for customer put the hand on sensor again. And config system, when click on config system, it will show the pay to change every configuration of the machine. You can input right here, input right here, input right here, and when sell, it will sell the signal to the controller. If didn't input right value, it will show some. It will show error. If we check, for example, number 2 value from 0 to 30, now it's 200 and more than 200. So if you input 20 and save, so it not show error anymore for number 2. The default value of this all of the input field will get from controller and show on this pay. When I sell, it will send a signal to the controller and keep data on controller, not on Raspberry. Okay, and if don't want to sell, cancel to return the Mainpay. And system status, when click on system status, it will show pay to show every status of the machine, working machine. You can see the animation right here. This one will get the data from the controller and show the current system status on display. On basic, now I working with Mr. Ang and Mr. Fu to get data from controller and show everything on Raspberry. And the main function is like that. If you have any question, please feel free to contact with me. Thank you.